Alright, we're back. It's on, what's it called, recording mode right now. Are we safe? No, we aren't actually. People. I know somebody that be some stalker out here. Look at my damn Discord username. I know you, boy. I know you. Okay. Alright. We got the Kanto S6. Yeah, we're decent white. Okay. Box is black. Pen. Alright, so this is actually pretty heavy. But these are supposed to hold up my AudioEngine A5. Screws to screw them in. As you can see in my photos, I'm using my Arctic P12 TWN TST to hold up my speakers and tilt it at my head. And I never knew tilting them at your ear is all the difference. Like, it's literally terrible without tilting it to your head. So I guess I can put this box here and work on it like this. So we have one. All I really got to do is place a speaker like this on top of it. But this one's, I mean, this is pretty heavy. I mean, this is what the mesh wish, this is what the Sliger cases feel like. They're made out of steel. So, I mean, it's okay. So that's what they sound like. Put it like this and then screw it from the bottom. Now, I don't know if this screw will hold an AudioEngine A5. Because these aren't Kanto S6s. We can check. My desk is really messy because I was doing the Neo testing, so charging the AirPod I got. And basically, if anybody's interested, this isn't the same video, but the Neo can do 4K. I'll make a separate video for it, it's fine. 4K 120 hertz, even though it's a 5K by 2K panel. I'm trying to be gentle because I don't want to scratch. Because if I scratch these, it ruins the look completely. Alright, so this screw, I'm pretty sure these screws are way too big. Wow, holy crap. I think it's the right size. Or it's too big. I don't know. I really can't tell. Anyway, the good thing is they fit the AudioEngine A5s. Now putting it with the stand, let's see how visible this is. You can see that this is, hold up. This is with it all the way back, and it's at the edge where it's supposed to be, because that's where it's going to hold it from. But then you can't screw it in if that's visible. See that? So I can move it over to the side a little bit. It's really hard to do this with one hand. Now I'm going to try to do this. Yeah, that's as tight as it goes. And gently flip this over. I want to flip this over without any damage. Of course, I hit the monitor. Didn't do any damage. Okay. I think the fan made a stain. I guess what's cool about the speaker stands, this is the other ones, the AudioEngine ones, is you can put the little AirPods underneath that. It's not really what it's meant for, but hey, if you wanted to put something underneath, it is possible. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Let me sit down in the center. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. It looks like it's pointed properly. Pointing at my ear. This is a lot easier to move. I just grab the stand and I just point it to my ears. Yeah, this is good. Let me play some audio.
GPU-Z, resizable bar is enabled in BIOS, and it said yes in GPU-Z, right? That's it. There's nothing actually you need to do for SAM, right?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's not the same white. It's really annoying. It's a different shade of white. I'm literally collecting every shade of white on my desk. At that point, it might as well just be black, and then it's smaller, you know, rather than, I might order the AudioEngine stand as well. We'll see. I'm gonna do the other one. This one's a bit more difficult, so it's messy, but I'm not gonna change it for the video and then do it again. So I'm literally just gonna show what it looks like. All right, look, we're just gonna focus on this part. I'm gonna install the stand, screw it in, and then we can continue. But I am going to probably order the AudioEngine ones as well. So I'll probably do that today, and we'll compare the stands. I guess this matches the color of my grommets. This will probably match the stand, my Ergotron HX arm that's coming. Like, it'll match the color, if that makes sense. So I guess I should be happy. The bottom part is kind of like dented because of the fan, but it is what it is. And the fan box. And then this goes on the back part. Now I have to align the hole with the back. And honestly, I don't have to. But then I realized that it'll move. Now I gotta get that screw hole and thread it in. I'm honestly really shocked that they fit, unless there's like a standard that I don't know about. I don't know too much about mounting bookshelf speakers. This is their version of a vase mount. Okay, that's screwed in a good amount. Gotta make sure this is equal, straight and centered. Screwed in as much as it can go, as you can see, as well as you can see over there. And see how it moves. It's attached. It works well. Stand is hanging off the edge a good bit, but once the desk is on, once the monitor is on an arm, it can be closer to the actual edge of the desk and opens up more space from my actual like arms and all that. But I want this positioned in a certain way. Honestly, it doesn't matter if it's hanging off the edge of the desk. I don't put my keyboard all the way there, so. But I want to make sure that this is pointed the same angle as the other. Does this fit? Oh, okay. I'm not saying that makes it worth for me immediately, but if I can put the DAC underneath, that helps a lot, because I have to put that somewhere anyway. I really like that it fits down there. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice that it fits down there. Yeah, okay. That takes up, you can't even see the water bottles in the way the whole time. That's what it looks like with the DAC there. But yeah, now I just have to position this for 1 second. Sitting in the center. That's the one thing that's nice about having this G9. When you sit in the center, you can center everything on you. Speakers are pointed to my ear. The speaker, okay, this one can go a little bit to the left. And then should be the same thing to my ear. Okay, I'm gonna test out the audio now. I don't know if this looks the same as this one. But yeah, that's what the speakers look like with the stand. I'm gonna move my little tripod over here. Check it out.
Hey, there's nothing extra you need to do for Sam. Is that correct? This is my multiplayer growl. This is not Warzone growl.
Mike. Hey yo, what's up? Mike, what's up? Okay, no, we're good. Hold on. Como es? Okay.
This guy, put his claim down there.
Thank you for watching the video. That is the Kanto S6 speaker stand installation. Take care and bye-bye.